everyone. This is part 3 of making Henry Stickman, the last part of this big project. I will be fixing stuff because I made a small leg, so I will be fixing it with this leg. I made that pretty easy, but I also will be fixing up his face and like other stuff for his extra fabric. I will explain everything and hope everyone has fun. And I made all of the accessories in the last video, so I will show the final time, how the last time ever, how to make Henry Stickman. And I got all our pieces here. Look, body right here, pieces, and head. So this is gonna be a big project, and I'm almost done with. So I hope everyone enjoys today. So I'm gonna be cutting out. So right now I'm gonna be cutting out his face with some fabric. So I will be showing everyone that. So there is him, Henry Stickman. His face. So his face. Now let's make little So let's get started. Wow, nice. Now I will be fixing his right leg. Nice. Yeah. Now his head. Alright, so now head is on. So far, she looks pretty good. I actually really like it. Look at his head. Everything's good. Now, his little feet. Yes, sir! Now hands. Alright, so I think he's all done. Wow. Well, this is your friend Henry Stickman, all done, and he actually is pretty good. I actually really like Henry Stickman. So thanks for everyone for watching this, and bye everyone. I hope everyone has a good day today. Bye.